In this video, we are going to discuss how to pull out the motherboard tray on Supermicro chassis that offer this feature. I recently bought this Supermicro CSE417 to expand my storage capabilities in my rack, and pulling out the motherboard tray was a bit more difficult than I anticipated, especially in terms of the amount of force that I had to use to get it out. But the general idea is that on a Supermicro chassis, the motherboard tray is held or locked to the outer chassis by a few screws. And in my case, it was the screw right here that I had to unscrew. And depending on the chassis, some of you might have a few screws to unlock on the other side as well. But to find out which specific screws you have to take out, you need to look into the appropriate manual, depending on your chassis, obviously. But once you take the screws out, you can start pulling. I would probably select a place which is a bit stiffer, which this corner is absolutely ideal for that. You can see that if I try to pull it here, it might bend, it might literally crack because it's just too soft. And you might need to use a decent amount of force because these rails, especially after all those years, they can get a bit stiff. So we're gonna hold it here and we're going to pull quite hard to get it out, right? And some of you have noticed that we have this blue pin right here, and that's important, but it's not really important at the beginning stages because that pin isn't really doing anything. But once you pull out, to a certain extent, the pin is actually what locks the motherboard tray onto the chassis. And if you want to take out the chassis completely, what you have to do is to pull out this blue pin. You can ask a friend or someone to do that, but generally speaking, you don't have to. And this will allow you to slide out the motherboard tray completely, right, like this. And you can see that that pin was responsible for essentially sliding into this little notch to lock the motherboard tray. And this is how you take it out. Don't be afraid to use a decent amount of force to take it out because these servers, as I said, they can get a bit old. The rails can get a bit stiff. It's absolutely normal. But as long as you made sure that all of the screws were unscrewed appropriately, you can use a decent amount of force to take it out. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.